I've compiled a list of 13 of the best remote jobs for beginners in 2024, and I bet most of these are new to you. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money, online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. First up is a remote theme park specialist. It might sound unconventional, but imagine exploring the world of theme parks from the comfort of your home. In this role, you'd research exclusive amusement park deals, assist clients in selecting suitable parks, handle ticket bookings, offer exceptional customer service, and stay updated on industry trends and attractions. Some positions may even require you to visit theme parks to provide the best service. Did you know the oldest theme park dates back to the 16th century? Recreation coordinators, also known as theme park specialists, typically earn between $41,000 to $64,000 annually. It's an entry-level position that doesn't usually require a college degree or prior experience, making it an excellent option for beginners. I'd rate this opportunity as an 8 out of 10. Next, we have a Twitch chat agent. Yes, you can get paid to be a live chat assistant on Twitch, a platform where people live stream various content. Companies like Hire Social offer positions paying around $30 per hour, with no degree requirements. Beginners are welcome, and you can earn between $25 to $35 per hour. As long as you're familiar with Twitch, it's relatively easy to get into this role. I'd give it a 7.5 out of 10. Moving on to a news staff team researcher, where you'd work for news organizations, gathering, verifying, and organizing information for news stories. Starting salaries typically range from $38,000 to $40,000 annually. While some positions may require a college degree, previous experience is often not necessary. Depending on the news company you work for, this role could be quite lucrative. I'd rate it as a 6.5 out of 10. Next is an entry-level tech sales development representative, an excellent opportunity to get into the tech sales industry. SDRs make about $63,000 to $95,000 per year, with potential for significant growth. Antoine Wade, who I interviewed, earns over $500,000 annually in this field. If you're interested, check out Course Careers for free training on tech sales. This opportunity gets a solid 10 out of 10. Sales may not be everyone's cup of tea, but this type of sales job focuses more on forming long-term relationships with companies, making it a more relaxed option. Next up is an AI prompt writer, a career that has seen a surge in demand in recent years. In this role, you utilize AI tools like ChatGPT, Bard, or Midjourney to create prompts that streamline and automate business operations. Opportunities in this field include working directly for a business, freelancing for different businesses, starting your own agency, or selling prompts on platforms like PromptBase. AI prompt engineers can earn salaries of up to $300,000 per year, with hourly rates ranging from $24 to over $100. This career is still evolving, but the potential is immense as more companies embrace AI. I'd rate this opportunity as a 9 out of 10. Moving on to a content marketing associate. This role involves helping brands and businesses use social media to create content that enhances their brand and markets their products or services. Content marketing is widespread across various industries, from tech startups to e-commerce businesses. Content marketing associates typically earn between $49,000 to $72,000 a year. There are multiple avenues to monetize this skill, including employment, freelancing, starting a business, or building a personal brand. Content marketing offers significant earning potential with opportunities to generate substantial returns. I'd give this opportunity a 9.5 out of 10. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Next, we have a technical support assistant, a role similar to customer service, but focused on assisting with technical issues. This position typically involves helping customers or colleagues with technology-related problems and offers an annual salary of $44,000 to $65,000. The best part is, you don't need a college degree or previous experience to get started, making it incredibly accessible. With our help, individuals have secured jobs in this field in as little as 7 days. This opportunity receives a 9.5 out of 10 rating. The following is about a position known as a search quality rater. These individuals assess the effectiveness of search engines like Google or YouTube by evaluating search queries and their resulting outputs. Their role involves improving the overall quality of search engine performance. Search quality evaluators earn approximately $44,000 to $73,000 annually. While a college degree or prior experience isn't typically required, it's advised to apply regardless of stated prerequisites, as these are often flexible. Therefore, this opportunity receives an 8 out of 10 score. Now onto the lead list builder, or lead generation specialist position. This role involves identifying potential buyers for products or services through internet research and compiling a curated list of leads for the sales team. A proficient specialist can significantly enhance business outcomes, with annual salaries ranging from $65,000 to $120,000. While a college degree is not mandatory, some companies may prefer or require previous experience. Nonetheless, free or affordable online courses are available for skill development. This role also presents opportunities for freelancers or aspiring entrepreneurs. Given its potential, this opportunity is rated 8.5 out of 10. The next role we'll discuss is that of a presentation designer. These professionals are responsible for crafting visually captivating presentations that effectively convey information and engage audiences. Typically, such positions are sought after in sales, marketing, or for creating pitch decks where companies seek investment. Opportunities for this role can be found in traditional job listings or through freelancing platforms like Upwork, where hourly rates range from $50 to $40. Specializing in a specific industry is crucial for establishing expertise. Given the demand and potential, this opportunity receives a score of 7.5 out of 10. Moving on, we'll discuss a role that's relatively easy to enter: Chat Specialist. Chat specialists engage with customers via messaging platforms, offering customer service without the need for phone calls. This form of support is gaining popularity due to its convenience. Chat specialists typically earn an annual salary ranging from $37,000 to $57,000. While not the most glamorous career, it's an accessible option that doesn't require a college degree or prior experience. Therefore, it receives a score of 7.5 out of 10 for its opportunity potential. Let's delve into the role of a medical records specialist. Among the myriad medical-related careers, these positions stand out for their generally favorable pay and accessibility. Typically, they don't necessitate a college degree or prior experience and offer significant stability, often with remote job opportunities. Medical records specialists are tasked with accurately managing patients' medical records and health information in healthcare facilities, ensuring confidentiality and accessibility. Given the critical nature of healthcare data security, companies are stringent in this regard, as errors can lead to costly lawsuits. Various entities hire for this role, including hospitals, clinics, medical practices, nursing homes, and healthcare consulting firms. While resembling librarians in organizing information, medical records specialists deal with medical data, earning between $37,000 to $53,000 annually. Entry into this field is relatively straightforward, sometimes requiring training provided by the employer. For those eyeing the medical industry, this offers a solid entry point, meriting a 7.5 out of 10 opportunity score. Moving on, let's explore the realm of remote inventory specialists. These professionals play a pivotal role in overseeing and optimizing inventory levels across industries using software tools. They ensure a smooth supply chain, particularly crucial for sectors like e-commerce, retail, and logistics. While managing inventory may seem straightforward, recent global supply chain disruptions highlight its complexities. Balancing adequate stock levels without excess to avoid storage costs is vital for company profitability. This role typically pays between $37,000 to $53,000 annually and may occasionally require a college degree, albeit without strict preferences regarding the field of study. Previous experience is often not mandatory. With numerous opportunities available, especially in remote work settings, this role earns a 7.5 out of 10 opportunity score. If you loved this Make Money online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.